Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the incompatible video card error that you are experiencing on your Windows computer. So if it says that these devices aren't fully compatible with Windows 11 or Windows 10, and it says that you'll experience problems with your display, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving that problem. And part of it's resolving the problem, another part just coming to the reality that your device is probably outdated, and whatever device is specifically having the issue, like your video card in today's example, is probably not optimized for the latest and greatest versions of Windows. So you may want to consider upgrading your hardware. So that's definitely one consideration you would certainly be reasonable to make. So that's something I would definitely take a look into. It's probably the biggest thing you can do here. You can also go on to the graphics card's website, so whether it's NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest driver software for that device for your computer. And usually they'll also have automatic tools that will go out and find that software for you. You just have to go onto their website and they'll have utilities that will basically just search for any compatible hardware on your computer, and it'll find the applicable software and download it and install it automatically onto your system. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. You can also try updating your drivers through the device manager as well, but generally the first two things I mentioned in this tutorial should yield the best success for you. In your case, the best long-term results. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.